Hello and welcome to Easy English Lessons. Today's lesson is 100 Essential English Vocabulary Words for Beginners. Family. My family eats dinner together every evening. 2. Friend. My friend lives near my house. 3. House. Our house has a small garden. 4. Apartment. She lives in a quiet apartment. 5. Room. My room is clean and bright. 6. Kitchen. We cook dinner in the kitchen. 7. Bedroom. The bedroom is upstairs. 8. Bathroom. Please wash your hands in the bathroom. 9. Window. The window is open because it is warm. 10. Door. Please close the door quietly. 11. Table. The books are on the table. 12. Chair. There is an empty chair next to me. 13. Bed. I go to bed at 10 o'clock. 14. Book. She borrowed a book from the library. 15. Pencil. The pencil is under the notebook. 16. Pen. Please sign your name with this pen. 17. Paper. Write your answer on the paper. 18. School. The children walk to school every morning. 19. Teacher. Our teacher explains every lesson clearly. 20. Student. Every student finished the homework. 21. Work. My work starts at 8 in the morning. 22. Office. His office is on the 3rd floor. 23. Job. She enjoys her new job. 24. Computer. The computer is on the desk. 25. Phone. My phone needs to be charged. 26. Car. Their car is parked outside. 27. Bus. The bus arrives every 30 minutes. 28. Train. We took the train to the city. 29. Bicycle. He rides his bicycle to work. 30. Road. Always look both ways before crossing the road. 31. Store. I bought some fruit at the store. 32. Market. The market sells fresh vegetables every day. 33. Bread. Fresh bread smells wonderful. 34. Milk. There is some milk in the refrigerator. 35. Water. Drink plenty of water during the day. 36. Coffee. He drinks coffee every morning. 37. Tea. She prefers tea in the evening. 38. Rice. We are having rice with dinner. 39. Chicken. The chicken is cooking in the oven. 40. Apple. I packed an apple for lunch. 41. Banana. The banana is ripe and sweet. 42. Orange. She peeled an orange after lunch. 43. Breakfast. Breakfast is my favorite meal. 44. Lunch. We usually eat lunch at noon. 45. Dinner. Dinner will be ready soon. 46. Morning. The morning air feels cool. 47. Afternoon. We met in the afternoon. 48. Evening. The evening sky was beautiful. 49. Night. The stars are bright tonight. 50. Today. Today is a wonderful day to learn English. 51. Tomorrow. We will visit our grandparents tomorrow. 52. Yesterday. Yesterday was very busy. 53. Happy. Everyone looked happy after the celebration. 54. Sad. The movie made her feel sad. 55. Tired. I feel tired after a long day. 56. Busy. My parents are busy this afternoon. 57. Hungry. The children are hungry after school. 58. Thirsty. He is thirsty after playing soccer. 59. Big. They live in a big house. 60. Small. The puppy is very small. 61. Hot. The soup is still hot. 62. Cold. The weather is cold today. 63. New. She bought a new backpack. 64. Old. That old bridge is still strong. 65. Fast. The train is very fast. 66. Slow. Please speak slowly. 67. Easy. This lesson is easy to understand. 68. Difficult. The puzzle was difficult to solve. 69. Beautiful. The flowers are beautiful this spring. 70. Clean. The classroom is clean every morning. 71. Read. I read a story before bed. 72. Write. Please write your full name. 73. Listen. Listen carefully to each sentence. 74. Speak. She speaks English every day. 75. Learn. We learn something new every lesson. 76. Study. They study together after school. 77. Walk. We walk through the park every weekend. 78. Run. The children run across the playground. 79. Sit. Please sit beside me. 80. Stand. Everyone stood quietly in line. 81. Open. Please open the book to page 10. 82. Close. Close the window before you leave. 83. Eat. We eat dinner as a family. 84. Drink. She drinks orange juice every morning. 85. Sleep. The baby sleeps peacefully. 86. Wake. I wake up early every weekday. 87. Help. Can you help me carry these bags? 88. Give. Please give me the blue notebook. 89. Take. Take your umbrella because it might rain. 90. Buy. We need to buy more bread. 91. Sell. They sell fresh flowers at the market. 92. I paid with my credit card. 93. Money. She is saving money for a vacation. 94. Time. We still have plenty of time. 95. Day. It has been a wonderful day. 96. Week. Next week will be very busy. 97. Month. My birthday is next month. 98. Year. This year has gone by quickly. 99. English. Learning English opens many new opportunities. 100. Practice. Practice every day and your English will improve. Fantastic job! You just learned 100 essential English vocabulary words with example sentences. The best way to remember these words is to listen to this lesson several times and use the sentences in your daily conversations. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video, subscribe to Easy English Lessons, and turn on notifications for more beginner English lessons every week. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.